Okay, here we have a few video files and let's see how to convert them with VLC media player. So how to convert multiple video files using VLC media player 308. Let's go here to media and open multiple files. Now drag and drop those videos, they are MTS videos, and drop them here onto the window. Now go here to the down pointing arrow and click on convert. Okay, and at profile you can choose, let's say, an audio video codec. Let's choose the first one, and if you want you can even customize it from this wrench icon. Let's go here to video codec, and if you want you can even keep the original video track and not modify it. If you don't want to keep it, then select the codec, select the bitrate, and then do the rest of the things. So let's keep the original video codec. You can do the same thing at the audio also. You can keep it, or if you want you can choose, let's say, MP4, and you can increase the bitrate if you want. Okay, so let's keep the original and save. Now at destination file you cannot select anything, I'm not sure why, but at least we can modify the file name, append a word which is converted after the file name. So click on start, and here comes the interesting part. Since I checked keep original video and audio, now the conversion is very fast. It's modifying only the container. It's copying the audio and video from an MTS container and it's putting it into an MP4 container. So there's no conversion, it's lossless. But it stops after the first conversion, so you have to click on the play button once again, and then it's doing the second video once again, and it's doing the third one, play, and it's doing the fourth one. And you have to do it one by one because I'm not sure how to automate it. Okay, and when it reaches to the end, then it stops and it's asking for overwriting the first one, so don't overwrite it. And that's it. The original files are always a little bit larger, so if we sort it by name, the MTS file is just a little bit larger. That container contains something else, so we have 29 megabytes instead of 27, and 78 instead of 64. And that's it. The videos were mass converted. Let's sort it by type, and these are the original and these are the new videos.